Good day everyone. Previously we have seen CSRF4. Now let's take a look into CSRF5. As I see on my screen, we have above 0, same post, challenge 5, same two values. So yeah, we already have the ID. We just need to get the CSRF token. If I check the source code, anything related to CSRF, okay. We got one CSRF token here, but there are total 22 matches. Is this the value, same value as before? Let's see. Copy. That's total of 3 times. Starting with that, and one more, and one more. Once more, you can see here. Yeah, I think that's our CSRF token, so I'll take that. So with these two values, if we make a packet, I'm just going to improvise the existing one that's already there. cp file.html to c5csrf.html. If I open that, so I have these values already available. Now in this, I'm going to replace the user ID value. First let me paste the CSRF token already. Value, remove the existing value, and then place our new value over here. Copy, paste, and the CSRF token is this. Oops, wrong press. Paste over here. Okay, that pasted both. I don't want both. Okay, okay, let me just confirm if everything is back to normal. Ending with 83, starting with 122, ending with 83, starting with 122 minus 122. So yeah, that is looking good. Now what I will do is I'll save it, and let's invoke it over here. Enter the HTML page. Speaking of that, let me start my HTML server. Python 3 minus m http dot server, port number let's say 81. Okay, started. Now what's my IP address? This is my IP address. Copy, and if I IP address colon port number 81 slash 5 csrf.html, that's the file name. Now let's see. If I click on post message, okay, my messages replace the existing code. Now let me confirm. This one IP is looking good. Now let me go to my victim. where I have another account, Chinny account. So if I go to CSRF5, okay, seems like it's expired. Let me log in again. Okay, we can't log in again because we can't log out. I think I need to invalidate the session in some way. Yeah. So for this purpose, since I can't log out because for some reason the logout functionality is broken, I'm going to delete my cookies to log out automatically. Right click, delete all. Now I should log in. Come on. Yeah, log in. Challenges, CSRF5. So this should call, as we have done that in the past. It will not call by default, so we'll have to call it by ourselves. I will call it over here. HTTP // IP address port number 81 / 5 CSRF.html. And if I do that, okay, that did not work. It says no CSRF token detected for this challenge. Your token is now 0. Increment failed. So earlier we used to get increment success, but now it says increment failed. Token is 0. Okay, so what if I put 0? Like, let me do one thing. Nano 5 CSRF.html. So if I give 0, 0, save. Let me try again. Will I be able to trigger now? Resend, of course. Now we got increment failed. Let's try again. Refresh here. Challenges, CSRF5. Okay, still it's same. I think I should invalidate the cookie again, because again, otherwise it will not generate a new cookie. Only when a new cookie is generated, it will increment. Come on, right click, delete all, refresh. So earlier it was 0, so I put it to 0. Now will I be able to increment now? Okay, here again as usual we can't see. Let me try here. IP address :81 / 5 CSRF.html. Okay, it still says, now you can see no CSRF token detected for this challenge. Your token is now 0, so I configured it to 0. Now it is 0 and increment is successful. It says increment is successful, but is it actually giving me flag? If it's not, it doesn't mean anything to us. Let's try again. In our main shepherd account, here our shepherd account is there. So it said increment is success. If that works well, we should be able to get a token here. Yeah, there it is. See, CSR file has been completed. We copy that, and you know the rest of the process. Get the flag, submit, and you're done. So yeah, I say it's somewhat fairly easy. It's a little bit tricky because unless we try it, we'll not be able to know that it has some kind of flag, and unless we do that, we'll not be able to try that. So open the flag, and it's done. So yeah, give that a try. For me, I got 0. Earlier, before this, when I practiced, I got 1. So you should try, and don't just follow with this and give 0 blindly. It may not be 0 all the time. Every time you reload the challenge, it may give a different number. So find out what the number is, and then you can use that as your token value. Okay. So yeah, try this out and see how that works for you. I'll see you again in the next one.